In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist slide in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, polished slide you can drop straight into a presentation for meetings, lessons, or project updates. We'll keep it simple and clear, so your checklist is easy to read and looks professional. First, open Canva on your computer or in the mobile app. If you're on a browser, go to Canva's homepage and make sure you're on your main dashboard so you can start a new design. Give it a second to load fully so all the tools are available. Next, click Presentation to create a slide-sized canvas. The standard 16:9 presentation format works perfectly because it gives you room for a clear title at the top and a neat list below. If a theme pops up, you can ignore it for now. We're going to customize the slide ourselves. Now, we'll find a starting point. In the Templates panel, search for Checklist. You'll see a variety of styles, from minimal to colorful. Choose one with a layout that suits your content, ideally something with a bold heading area and clean space for multiple items. Don't worry about colors or fonts yet. We can adjust those to match your style or brand. Add a title for the checklist at the top of your slide. Click into the existing title area and type a short, clear heading, like Project Kickoff Checklist or Weekly Tasks. Keep it concise so it stays readable at a glance. Adjust the font size and weight so it stands out, and make sure there's good contrast between the text and the background. For the checklist items, insert text boxes, one for each item you want to include. Use the text tool to add a single line per item, keeping the wording short and actionable, like confirm agenda or send follow-up email. To keep sizing consistent, type your first item, then duplicate that text box for the rest. Adjust line spacing if needed so everything feels airy, not cramped. Beside each line, add a checkbox icon. Head to Elements and search for checkbox or square. Pick a simple style that matches your slide's look, then resize it so it aligns neatly with your text. Place it to the left of each item. Duplicate the checkbox for every line to keep sizing and spacing consistent. If you like, you can use a filled checkbox for completed items and an outline for pending ones. Finally, align items evenly. Select your text and checkboxes, then use Canva's position and tidy up tools to align left and distribute spacing evenly. Keep consistent margins, group each line's text and checkbox, and do a final zoomed-out check for balance. That's your checklist slide, clean, aligned, and ready to present.